When it comes to solo women's travel, there are a few things to remember. Number one, don't advertise where you're staying or that you are there alone. Number two, get your head out of your phone. Walk with your head up and with confidence. And number three, always let someone know where you're going to be, whether it's someone at home, if it's the concierge at your hotel, just let someone know. Let's talk about a few tools I use when traveling alone. A doorstop is a great line of defense. A portable door lock is another great form of security. This may seem trivial, but putting a ring on your wedding finger lets people know that you're unavailable or there may be someone with you. A personal alarm is always a great idea. You can hold it in your hand, and with one single pull, the alarm will sound. When packing my bag for a day out, I always make sure I have a portable first aid kit. A pepper spray is also a great idea when you're traveling by yourself. Keeping your gear in a belt bag or a bum bag is a great way to deter pickpocketers. Using a suitcase with a built-in lock system or buying a separate lock is a great way to keep your things secure. I also like to travel with an Apple AirTag in my luggage. That way, should we ever become separated, I will know exactly where it is.
What about you? What do you never travel without when you're traveling solo? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, like and subscribe for more Natalie Preddie travel content. Now get lost.